Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix Walmart application not working. So if Walmart application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable network, so make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. After that, your application should start working. But still, if your application is not working, there might be some other problem behind it. What you can do is simply try updating the application. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. After you do that, you can see over here Play Store will be opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Walmart. After you do that, you'll be able to find the results over here. Since Walmart application is not available in Play Store in my region, I'm not being able to find the option for Walmart. But you'll be able to find the option for Walmart. Tap on it. After that, you'll be led to another interface. In that interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and your application will be updated. After that, your problem should be fixed. But if your application is still not working, it might be because of the cache of the application. In that case, what you have to do is clear the cache. Open the app library on your device, find the application for Walmart and long press on it. Now tap on this option App Info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the App Info interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option Storage and Cache. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here. Clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache. Now after you do that, the cache of the application will be cleared and your application should start working now. But if your application still does not work, there might be some problem with the application itself. In that case, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your application should work. But also, if your application does not work, there might be some problem with the device itself. In that case, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. For that, long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem should be fixed and your application should start working now. So that is how you fix Walmart application not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.